Hello, this is Sudhakar Moparthi. Today we're going to see the tutorial for how to use Secrets Manager. So I have one of my engineers, Neha, and she's going to walk us through the steps to manage and maintain the secrets, how to use the Secrets Manager. So let's go and see the existing Secrets Manager. This is the Secrets Manager service. So we have an existing secret that we just created. So this is the secret name and some description. So we can review the existing secret name by simply clicking there. So now here it's just a key value pair, secret name and secret. That encryption key is nothing but you are encrypting this secret using AWS keys, not customer keys. Those are default. And let's see what are all the actions that we can do for an existing. So you can edit the description, edit the encryption key, or delete the secret. Okay, so let's just go back to our secret list. And let's create a new one. So here there are different types of secret types that we can manage, I guess. So RDS, you can connect to RDS or other databases that you want to connect to. So if you have access, if you have your RDS or Redshift or DocumentDB databases, those will be listed. And so let's go and click on, for example, RDS databases. First one. So let's scroll down. You can mention your username, password, and user one, or some whatever you want. Okay. And then if you have, scroll down, if you have the access to those databases in your account, in this case, there's no access. That's why it's spinning, it's retrieving. But if you have access here, it will list those databases, RDS, relational database service instances, and you can pick one of them, and then it will be able to store that secret. So for this tutorial purposes, let's go to select the other key. And basically you can store key value pairs. So here we will say, okay, key as, so let's say it's skill bank. So skill bank slash, let's call it some other app, in our system. So let's say certificate app or something, cert app. We have a certification app which generates certificates slash devdb. So we are connecting to devdb, let's say. And so we can put whatever the value of your thing. So let's say this is that one is the key, and then value is see, this is my password. Okay, whatever my password. Okay, so all right, that's good enough. And then next, okay, so you can copy that skill bank. So this is the secret name with which we will get that key value pair. Yeah. So some description we can give. We can skip that. Scroll down. Scroll down. These are so you can restrict who can access and all that by attaching some permissions and all that. So next, we'll just do the basics. So automatically we can rotate. Scroll down. Hours after every hour, 23 hours. It can change. It can rotate, or you can mention other ways. All right, let's just take all the defaults and then say next and see if it works. Rotation scheme. If not, we will just say next. 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 Okay, so it could be there are some permission issues here. Maybe we are restricted. That's why it's not going any further. Let's not do any automatic rotation for now, but it is possible to do automatic rotation. And then next. So that's the secret that is created. It's just showing all the things. Scroll down, scroll down. Okay, let's see the code for C#. So this is the code to get how in your program you can use this secret service manager, secret manager. So you get the client and then you prepare a request and you ask, get the result, and then you get back your secret. Let's show from the beginning of the code. Just slowly, let's go to the top of the screen and then let's analyze the code. So you got these libraries 7 and 8, 9, that are required to use that. This is the methods, which is writing a static method. So that's the secret name we have to give. That's the region. And then you get your Amazon client, Amazon secret manager client for that region. And then you prepare a request. And in that request, you're going to give the secret name. And then the version stage defaults to AWS current if unspecified. Okay, so that's a sample. Just put that. Then response. And then on line number 28, we make a call, asynchronous call, giving the request, and we get the response. And if there are any problems, we can write it to the log in the try catch. If not, we got the scroll down. We got the response.secret string on line number 37. So now you can use this secret to connect or do whatever you want to do. It's not just the database passwords or anything. We can store anything that you consider as sensitive information. We can store in secrets manager and fetch that in the programs and then use it as needed. Okay, let's click on store. So it's successfully created. So now we have two secrets, secret name. This is for dev databases. So for our certification app database, dev database, we are using the first key, first secret. secret name. And this is for the other project task here. So like that, we can create as many as we want. There is a cost to this service, very minimal. It'll charge some amount per month, and I think around 5 cents for 10,000 API calls, and for each secret, it may charge 4 cents per month or something like that. So whenever you want 40 cents, okay, 40 cents per month per secret, and then 5 cents per 10,000 API calls. All right, so it's a reasonable cost to externalize your secret sensitive information from the application code. If you are hard coding all these passwords in your code. That's all. This is the tutorial for how to use Secret Manager. Hope this is helpful. Watch the other video where this concept of Secrets Manager is explained in C1 using C1 C2 diagrams. And then in this video, we showed you how to use how to do this in AWS account. All right, that's all I have for today. We'll see you in the next video. Good luck. Bye-bye.